Today we want to show you how to do the monthly cleaning on a TA unit. Press menu at the terminal, go into the user menu and enter the code, who is 9041, and press enter and press OK. Press user menu and press cleaning menu and then start the cleaning. When you have started the cleaning procedure, go to the receiving end and prepare the cleaning kit. The cleaning kit consists sponges, a filter bag, racks for the sponges, and a solution of either Actichlor or Virkon. Start with preparing a solution of either Actichlor or Virkon. In the receiving end, you remove the manual tray, fit the filter bag on the pipe and tighten the strips, and then go to the sending station and prepare the racks for cleaning. At the terminal at the sending station you can see that we are in cleaning mode. To prepare the cleaning rack, wet some sponges into the solution, insert the sponges in the cleaning rack by pressing and turning them, and it's very important that the sponges not stick out in each end. Put 3 sponges, 1 in each hole, and get ready here. Load them into the TA, and if you have a doubt how to do it, we have a procedure here at the cover. For monthly cleaning, we recommend that you send 9 sponges, and if you have had a blood spill, we recommend that you send 18 sponges. Today we want to show you how to do the monthly cleaning. So to end the cleaning procedure, go to the receiving end and remove the filter bag. Remove the filter bag, tighten the strips and throw the filter bag away. Mount the manual tray again. To end the cleaning procedure, go to the sending station. Press menu, press user and enter the code, which is 9041, and press enter and OK. Press user menu, go into the cleaning menu and then press stop cleaning. Press menu and press overview, and when the machine is ready again, it will be shown in the display.